Now, we will use this right-angle tube for B-axis calibration on the fiber laser cutting machine. Remember to select a tube with a square outer shape, not a rounded one, for the test. Clamp the square tube between the fixtures on both sides of the rotary axis. Move the laser head close to the cutting surface. Click Calibrate B-axis center on the control system interface. Input the tube width and height. Click Start. The laser head will start the calibration process. After completion, click Save on the interface.